Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your Binance password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Binance password, you just simply have to open the Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, just simply tap to this icon at the top left side. Tap there, and after tapping into that icon, you will get to see this more service option. Tap to more service, and into the same recommendation section, you will get to see this security at very bottom. Tap to security, and after tapping to security, you will get to see password section right here. Tap to password, and now tap to continue. Now after tapping into password, you just simply have to enter your new password into this upper box, and then enter the same password into the lower box, which must contain characters between 8 to 128 and have at least one number and uppercase letter. Just simply enter your new password and tap to confirm. Then your password will successfully be changed into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.